Welcome to the video tutorial series about installing the SUN2000 12 KTL to 25 KTL. These video tutorials demonstrate how to install the SUN2000 12 KTL to 25 KTL inverter and connect cables. In the first video, we'll walk you through mounting the inverter safely on the wall. Before you start, please read the quick guide carefully to learn about product information and safety precautions. Only trained and qualified electrical technicians are allowed to operate the device. These insulated tools are required. First of all, check that the items in the inverter packing case are complete and intact. Now let's get started. Firstly, determine a proper position for installing the inverter. This position should sustain the weight of the inverter and comply with local safety regulations and building standards. The inverter can be installed indoors or outdoors. To install the inverter outdoors, you are advised to select a sheltered area or set up an awning. During the installation, ensure that the clearance meets the requirements to prevent derating of the inverter. You are advised to install the inverter in a high position out of children's reach to prevent electric shock. Let's unpack the inverter. Take out the inverter from the packing case and place it in a safe position to prevent damage. Then let's take out the wall mount bracket and screws from the packing case. Place the wall mount bracket against the wall and adjust it to the horizontal position. Mark and drill holes in the planned installation position. Install expansion bolts in the holes on the wall. Continue securing the wall mount bracket to the wall. Next, two operators should lift the inverter and install it on the wall mount bracket. Ensure that the inverter is installed on both the upper and lower edges of the bracket. Do not remove the dust-proof caps from PV terminals and communications terminals. Take out the connection box from the packing case, install it on the inverter, and tighten the screws. Do not remove the waterproof plugs from the connection box, otherwise the protection level of the device may be affected. Now the inverter has been safely installed on the wall mount bracket. In the next video of this series, we'll walk you through connecting cables to the inverter.